let's create a fun cow print design. You will need a white, a brown and a black, and then also grab yourself a nail art brush that's a little bit thicker. You don't want anything too thin. They are going to help us, if the bristles are going to help us create those nice splodges, that beautiful cow print. I'm starting off with just a plain builder color, which is like a pinky color, and going in with my white. So keep yourself supported with your pinky, and then we're creating that first shape, and just keep your hand really nice and light, and do like a squiggly line to outline that first spot and fill it in. And that's it. That's all we're going to do. Just going to repeat this process. Now, if you are not feeling confident about how you do these splodges, these spots, make sure that you are flash curing in between the spots that you're putting on the nail, and then make sure that you do a full cure as well. We want to make sure that gel is nice and cured, and yeah, just repeat the process, keeping those lines nice and rounded. We don't want any angles, we want nice rounded lines for our cow spots. So I've popped that in a lamp, and now I'm going in with a second layer because I didn't feel like the white was opaque enough. So just keeping it nice and thin. We don't want any bulkiness on that nail, we just want the color and the nice spots. I cure in between each layer, so I make sure that once I'm happy with the opacity of this white, I pop it in a lamp and cure it. And then I'm going in with the brown. I don't want any colors to mix together, so I make sure that I cure in between each layer. You can either flash cure, but you need to make sure you cure fully at the end, or just fully cure the nail. It's not going to take you long. These gel paints, for example, are 30-second cure, so they're amazing. And this brown is so pigmented that I'm not going to need 2 coats, it's just going to need 1. I'm still supporting myself with my pinky every time I paint, and I'm keeping those lines nice and rounded. The bigger, thicker brush is helping us create these splodges without having to go back into the gel over and over again. It's adding a really nice amount onto the nail plate, whereas if you went in with something like a detail paint, because it's so thin, it would have just taken you a lot longer. And with cow print, what's amazing is that all animals are different, they all look different, so these kind of designs are perfect for anybody that either doesn't have the time to sit and create really structured designs, or somebody that is a beginner and needs something that doesn't look the same on every single nail. So once you've added your bigger splodges of brown, just go in and touch the brush to the nail plate and very gently move it around to create these smaller little splodges. And then when you're happy with that, just cure it in the lamp. I'm not going to cover the whole nail. We're doing like a almost like a, it's not an alternative French, but because it's on the tip, it's that sort of thing. And once I've cured that brown, I'm going in with black, and again I'm just going to do exactly the same as I have been with the white and the brown. I'm adding those little spots and making sure that they are overlapping on the other colors, but not creating any blends. We don't want to create like an ombre blend, we want it to be its own little spot. And then I'm adding little spots here and there, just to, they're almost like, imagine you're creating cow freckles, and just adding those little bits in just to tie the whole design together. All that's left is to use your favorite top coat, cure it in the lamp, and you're done. This is your cow print and it looks so effective. I hope you love it as much as I do. I hope you enjoyed it and I can't wait to see your recreations.